I'm gonna walk you through our experience with Steak 48 restaurant. My daughter have been here a few times, maybe three, four, five different times, and she asked us to take her to Steak 48 for her birthday. So that's my son, my wife, my daughter there. As soon as you walk in, you look to the right. You got a lot of wine selection. And when you see this menu, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. But once we walked in, me and my son, we went upstairs to check out the view. And if you got a cane or something, you probably want to take the elevator. And they do have an elevator here in this restaurant. So it's two flights of stairs. And it's a nice little view when you're going up these stairs. You know, they got little different knives that they got hanging there on the wall. As soon as you get to the second flight of stairs, you have a restaurant there and a bar. So when you look straight ahead, you have the bar. And they got all the drinks you want, you know. They got the beer, the wine, the tequila, the whiskey, whatever you want. They have it here in this bar. So we decided that we're going to eat upstairs, and you got to make reservations to go here. And their dress code is no hats and no sportswear. And they treat you like royalty here. You see my daughter right there, it's her birthday, and my wife and my son there to the right. And my wife been doing vegan here for the last 6 months. So she's not able to eat any of the steak and lobsters, which we're going to have. And I'm going to scan here the menu if you want to pause it and look at something that you may like. And this is a pretty good menu, and the prices aren't bad. We've ate at Vic and Anthony's, and the price is pretty similar, maybe a little bit more. But they treat you, like I said, they treat you like royalty here. And this is your wine list. Oh my God, look at this list. You can buy it by the glass or you can buy it by the whole bottle. And you look, whatever you want to drink, I'm pretty sure they got it. So this is just all the list of wines that they have on here. And that number to the right, I think is the price. You see there at the bottom, 855. So I guess that's $855. But whatever they brought us some bread here. And this bread is good. It's really good. It's buttered down. And you can ask for more butter if you want. And you can ask for, eat all the bread you want. They bring it. It's complimentary. I think. I think it's complimentary. But right here is the pork belly. Wow, it's on a bed of spinach. My wife, she got her salad here, and that's pretty much all she's gonna eat, just a salad. She gonna get a little potatoes and corn, but that pork belly was off the chain. If you ever go, make sure you get a side order of that. And I have my salmon here. My daughter got her. She got the filet mignon. It's a small portion. She don't eat that much. And we also ordered like some Brussels sprouts, some corn and mashed potatoes, and they bring it to you in these bowls, and you can serve it how you want. They serve it for you. Put a little bit on your plate and leave the rest of it there, and you can add more as you like. As you can see my daughter's steak there. I'm gonna tell you what, if you go, make sure you get that filet mignon. And that's a small portion she got right there, but oh my God, that filet mignon, you can cut it with a fork. And the corn, the potatoes, the Brussels sprouts, everything was off the chain. The salmon, it was great. But at the end, they give you these hot towels. Oh man, the steaming also. Not too hot, but they're good to clean up. And like I said, they treat you like royalty here. And if you ever be in the Houston area, make sure you come to this Steak 48. They also give you complimentary cookies at the end. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.